Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another beautiful day in Scotland. So following on from last week's video, what we're going to do this week is we're going to detail that absolutely disgusting engine bay. We're going to give the interior a proper good clean, and hopefully at some point before the end of the video we're going to reinstall the bit that's still at the painters. So with that, let's crack on and clean this engine bay. So I think you'll agree, it definitely looks better than it did. But unfortunately, I can't get a lot of the dirt out. So for example, in here, underneath the air filter in places like that, and in all these gaps like this. So what the plan will be eventually, once I know that this truck runs reliably, is I'm going to power wash all this and start again. But for just now, it's looking pretty good. So let's crack on with the interior. Right, so now that the seats are all done, we'll leave them to dry. So let's chuck out this disgusting mess and let's move on and protect all the plastic. Now that the seats are all dry and the plastics are all looked after, and unfortunately, as you can see, there are some marks that I cannot get out. But other than that, I think the interior turned out pretty well. But unfortunately, I'm not going to get the rear piece back until next week's episode, which is kind of annoying, and I apologise. So that's going to be it for this week's episode, guys and girls. Hope you enjoyed it. I was kind of hoping to do more in this video, but it is what it is. Good bit of detailing and cleaning, never hurt anybody. So as I say, in next week's video, what we'll do is we'll fit the back bit, and we'll get the truck outside, and we'll give the full exterior of the truck a detail. Power wash, clay bar, machine polish, and either a ceramic coat or a wax. I'm not really sure on that one yet. So as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.